How to change Facebook profile page category 2025. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be talking to you about Facebook and how you're going to be easily able to change the category of your Facebook profile page. So what you're going to do is go over to any page that you're interacting with. So as you can see, this is a page that I'm managing. All right. So if you want to go ahead and change the category for this page, what you're basically going to be doing is you're going to come to your page's main settings. So obviously make sure to switch it to your main, working section. Now, once you're over here, what you can do is you can actually change the settings of your page by simply going over ahead to the settings option that you can see right over here. And once you've opened up the settings options, you can pretty much go over to the preferences. And first of all, turn both of these on. Okay. And once you have turned them on, so you're going to be going over back to your main page. And once we are back into our main page, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to the abouts of your main page, and right over here, you're simply going to go over to categories. You're going to click on edit. And right here, you can add whatever categories that you want, save them. And that is how you're going to be changing your Facebook page's category in 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. And I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.